Let's go, Aika. Good morning, friends. The time is currently 6:58 a.m. I could sleep some more, but nah, I think we're okay. The plan is honestly just chill. I wish I have windows, I swear. I feel like that'll help, but it's okay. I think I just need to pack my stuff. There's so much to pack. My toiletries, my makeup. My checkout is at 12. I'm gonna buy food from 7-Eleven for my breakfast. They're open from 7 a.m. They're not 24/7 here. So I forgot what time they open, but I know they're not 24/7. There was a sign outside. All right, I'm packing, but it's already 7:30. So I'm trying to finalize if I wanna wear the dress today or tomorrow. I'm gonna go find food after I blow dry my hair, and then I'll be right back to do my makeup. Every time I'm not in the Philippines, my skin slays. Let's go find food. I got my food. I think this cost a total of 16 something. I don't have the receipt. But anyways, I got this one. And then I got Hokkaido latte for my coffee. And I have a club sandwich. And also freeze-dried strawberries. Let's taste them. It'll do for now. I tried this one. Open it. So this is cookies and cream. It looks like that. Good thing I knew it. I have this spoon I saved from my flight. Let me mix this first, and then I'll mix in the strawberry. Good. I'm low-key scared because I'm having yogurt and I'm having latte. I think we already know I need to prepare my tummy today, because after this, my friend and I are gonna go, we're gonna have some lamb, maybe some kebab, I don't know. It's around my area. So she'll come here, and then we're gonna have some lamb for lunch. I think it's called Cappadocia. I'm not sure, I don't wanna butcher the name, but it's something like that. It's too big. I was thinking that it's gonna be flat. I don't know why, but it's okay. After this, I'm gonna do my makeup and fix my things. I still have not fixed my things. It's already 9 a.m. A whole ass morning just for all of this. We're gonna try out this Suzuki Gourmet Coffee right here with my fucking long ass nails. Oh. Actually good. That's pretty good. That's good. That's all I can say. So this is our finished makeup for today. And also just kind of finished packing. Just cleaning up my table and all of that. And then we're gonna meet up with Aika. And we're gonna have lunch together, so yeah. There's one thing I found out since I got older is to stretch first. We're at that age. We gotta stretch. It's as if I'm gonna do a marathon. I'm not. We're done our warm-up for the day. My friend has arrived and it's just perfect timing. We're all packed. I did a quick, I don't know, I'll put it here. Say hi to vlog. Pakilala ka naman. Hi. Aika here. ASL. If anyone's interested, pakilala. Saan tayo today? Cappadocia. If I got it right. Akala ko Cappadocia. I don't know. We will ask later. Kakain na kami na. Excited na ako. Sorry, di pa siya marunong mag-vlog. Pero okay lang yun. Matututo din yun. Magiging Gen Z siya kasama ako. ASL talaga. Reveal. The ASL. ASL. Sa American Sign Language. Yeah. Ay, tigilan natin to. Baka mapagalitan tayo sa Grab, bumaba yung rate ko. Sabihin na, ingay naman ng pasahero. Nice message. Ingay. Kahapon kasi, hindi ko na-chika pero kinancel ako nung nagmamaneho. Hindi ko maintindihan bakit. Nakita niya lang ako, tapos sabi niya, I cancel to. Ha? Bakit kaya? Us with our big ass luggage. Yay, we're here! Okay. Wala akong alam. I'm here to be an explorer.
We have lamb something else.
Basta yes sa lamb. Wow, everything looks good. TBH. So, hindi ako pwede tumingin. Ikaw na lang.
Pressure. Na-pressure ako.
Oo. You should be. Charot.
We had yung shish kebab last night.
Shh, kebab. Saan yun? Kebab.
Ito para may belly. Lamb chops.
Lamb chops?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Ang laki. That's what she said. Hello, can I just like, ano the size? Look at that size. Look at that size. That's big. That's big. That's huge. Go Nakakatawa ka. Let's do it. Ay, nako. Gusto pa niya. Ako
You first. No, you first. Oh, hero. Hindi ka masela nun.
Hindi.
Oh. Di ba sa'yo kinain ko raw yan?
Sige, go. Lawayan mo pa to.
Oo.
Oh, chicken. Sabi ni Aika, kaya daw namin to ubusin. Pero,
We can. Yes, we can. We can. Without the rice, ha?
without the rice, doable for me.
Protein. Pagod tayo. We need protein.
Okay, let's do this. Excited na ako, wala.
I wanna see your reaction.
I wanna see my reaction. Pero chicken muna kasi ito na yung nakuha ko. Bobo. Chicken. Good. Already good. That's chicken parang lamb time.
How was it?
Thank you. Naiyak. Thanks for taking me here. Magdo-double dip ako if ever.
Go lang yan.
Go. Ano to?
Hindi ko rin alam eh.
Bala na. Try natin.
Oh my god. This is it.
I'm so happy.
Oh my god.
Chicken pa lang masarap na eh.
So good. And even the peppers.
Ay, di ako
Hindi siya
makain yan.
maanghang.
Kaya ko ba yan?
Try mo lang. Pero hindi siya
Okay, fine. I'll try for
Go.
you.
Diba?
Be.
Cake lang. Bakit? Maanghang? Super anghang.
Kaya ako i-cleanse yung palate ko.
Mag-yogurt tayo mamaya.
Hindi na ako napapaniwala kami manghang. Ito yung pills ko.
Pero saan?
For my mens. Kasi irregular ako eh. Nakanta ko ba? Usually 2 times a year lang ako nagkakamens.
Ah, talaga? Pero heavy? Like,
Heavy. So like, it lasts for 2 weeks.
oh my god.
So, this year sabi ko, I'm gonna take care of my health. So,
Yeah.
nagpa-check na ako noong January. And so far, nagiging regular naman na ako.
Anong diagnosis? PCOS daw?
May, yeah. Pero hindi siya yung malala na PCOS.
May PCOS din ako eh.
Pero sobrang normal naman din sa atin. Anong ginawa sa'yo?
Lifestyle change daw.
Same
Kaya nag-workout.
naman.
Kaya nag-workout. Na ano ko mag-workout.
May pinainom din sa'yo?
Wala.
Ah, talaga? Parang kasi, hindi ko nga explain. Parang, yes, it's polycystic, pero it's not necessarily PCOS daw. And I'm like, huh? Alam mo, at the end, hindi ko na alam ano
Spell
nangyari.
PCOS, sabi mo sa
PCOS machine. I love you.
Iba talaga yung kit niya. It's super lambot mo. And the flavor.
I'll come back to Singapore for this. Who's next concert na? Charot!
Oo nga eh.
Char. Okay na ako kay mother. Kasama lang ako para kumain.
Kamusta yung Universal?
Tapos na ako by 3 p.m.
Ano ba? Pero punta ka mo lahat ng gusto mong puntahan.
Selected rides lang naman kasi ako. Kaya gusto ko lang ma-conquer fear ko. Yun lang. Okay na ako dun sa The Mummy, Revenge of the Mummy. May drops doon, grabe. Pero nag 4 times ako nun.
Maraming tao.
Nasa single rider ako eh, so... Not so much. Actually, mas mahaba. Tsaka actually, kahit super init dito, pero hindi siya kasing init than Hong Kong. Mas mainit pa sa Hong Kong. Yes. Mas bilad ako. Di ba kakaano ko lang from Hong Kong? Pero grabe yung init doon, be. Tapos dito parang yun yung expect ko. Sabi ko, shit, super irritated ako neto. Pero, yes, it's hot, but mas grabe for me yung Hong Kong. Buti na lang nag-lamb chops tayo, be. Good call.
Sakto rin malapit sa place mo eh.
Thanks for reminding me. We can't finish it na. Ito na po. Magkakaalaman tayo sa presyo.
How many you want for 1 point?
This one. One is
Manual pala dito. So, paano?
sabi mo, merienda mo yun.
Pagandahan po natin kasi sayang. 5K pala ginastos namin today. So, dapat sulitin namin. Pinagtrabaho pa tayo na ako magka-data. Ba't may reveal pa kung 5K? Ay, oo. May reveal tayo. 5K talaga. Talaga. Ginandahan ko, diba? Para kunwari bagong-bago. Very, very nice. May na po maraming salamat. Nag-enjoy po kami.
Yes, chef.
Hindi siya mukhang leftover. Wag mo isip na leftover yan. Snack ba? Ang matanak bukas ha. 5K to. Kaya natin to. Uy, may scuba oh. So, highly recommended. Super sarap. Pero tatandaan niyo 5K ginastos namin. So, be prepared. Let's go sa game.
Tayo.
Ay, ako nga pala, game. Tingnan natin. Ay, oo nga, $1. Okay, tingin tayo. Ay, may Tiger Bomb. Ayun na, be. Oh my gosh, I've been blessed. Thank you so much.
I think this is it.
Kahapon pa kita hinahanap, ha? Wisit ka. Kaya mo yan. Let's go, Aika. Bowls, toasts.
I don't know what I'm getting.
Yeah, I'm gonna go Aloha. Ooh, sauce. Yes, thank you. Okay na. Paano tayo mag... Go, enjoy.
Pero hirap. We can walk na. It's okay.
How are we gonna walk?
I don't know. Should we get the grab na?
That's why. Smoothie para. Mas bilis. We found a photo booth and it said Lady Gaga. Dito, second. $10. I'm a hoe for photo booths. Magpa-freshen muna tayo. Parang may, at may blower ata sa... Sayang makeup natin. So, kailangan push-push. Magpa-freshen up lang tayo. Yes! Mother!
Tita vibes.
Wala po akong magagawa kundi magpunas na ng pawis. So, artist inspired. Pili ka. Abracadabra, Bread Romance, Poker Face, Illegal Namin yan.
Dito baby monster para ano?
Hindi
Ay,
yan, iba
pwede.
yan.
Ito.
Parehas tayo na sa isip.
Okay.
Okay. Dapat ba nag-prepare muna tayo ng
Ayun ang
post?
bilis.
Kaya nga eh. Saan ba?
Ayun. Wala pa pala. Okay.
Bakit na? Wait, ano pa?
4. Ay, 8 shots.
Ang dami.
Ay, gano'n ba?
8 pa, B. Tayo ka dito. Ay, hindi ko naman yung post ko.
Ano ba yung Lady Gaga?
Oo nga.
Ikaw naman.
Sorry.
Ikaw naman.
Hindi ko alam.
Kakapagod pala mag-artista.
Hinit, B.
Ano pa? Ano pa ang mga Lady Gaga mo?
Hindi ko na alam.
Poke. Ganyan.
Ano pa?
Ayan, sumasabay lang ako sa ano mo eh. Ano bang
Hala,
bilang director?
Wait, censure. Ikaw nga.
Hindi ko alam eh. Naku, hindi ako marunong yan.
Naubusan na.
Dalawa na lang.
Wala na akong maisip. Ubus na ako.
Ano pa tayo ba ako?
Sige tayo. Ayan.
Ayaw nga.
Paano ba?
Hindi ako kita.
Ayan, yan. Pa-Superman ka dyan, di.
Di ba ganun yung...
Ang hirap pala mag-isip ng pose.
Pipili ka lang.
Tagdami.
Ay, may 80 seconds para mapili.
Okay, poker face.
Sige, go. I love this.
This one?
Mukha tayo tanga eh. I love
Very
it.
cute. Very cute. Yes, Mom. Lead the way.
Kasi okay, masyadong fancy.
Ay! Saan mo tinap?
Doon sa labas. Tapos naka-assign na yung floor. So you cannot go to other floors.
Grabe si Precious. kami kasi wala nga bintana yung akin.
Nice fresh na. Upgrade kami pareho.
Ganito pala bumi ni Precious.
Wow.
Grabe.
Oh my God.
Dami natin natututunan. For auto, diba? Dulo-dulo pa tayo. May pa-runway pa muna bago makakarating. Taing-tain na ako eh. Diyos ko, pagod
I
ako.
think, eto na.
402, okay. Wow! Grabe si Mama Precious.
Ay, bongga.
Wow!
Ito yung pool.
Ay, oh. Okay. Ay, ang ganda ng view, be. Pwede na ako mag-music video dito. Ito na yon.
Ito na.
Ay, saya naman mag-swimming. Sana, kung alam ko lang, sana nagbaon. Sana nagbaon ako ng swimwear. Nakita ko
Kasi skinny dipping lang tayo eh.
alam mo, as in, nakita ko na sa bahay bago ako umalis. Sabi ko, as if naman mag-swimming kami. Ayan.
Tingnan natin na.
Hindi ka nagsasabi, Precious. Mahal ata na buko. Okay. Wait lang. So, tatlo tayo ni Precious. Naka-Yaris Cross.
Ito yun eh. Ito yung trip natin na yun.
Ay, meron yun sa Australia. Ice cream. Yeah,
okay.
nakatikim na ako nun.
Okay. Kaya saan ba siya?
Sa Australia siya sikat. Gusto ko susunod, ganito na din kotse natin.
Sige, magpapag-uwi pag mapalit tayo tatlo.
So nice. Ilang beses na ito humikap? Ano?
Tears of joy.
328.
I need ko.
Kada kanto.
Hikab.
Kada kanto. Palitan mo ni buwan.
Nasaan na ba yung glasses ko? Kasi naman, parang dizzy. Basta yung phone.
Masyadong maganda kasi yung upuan.
For a grab.
Saan na nahulo ko? Oh!
yung abs ko.
Baka na.
Baka ito. Meron ba? Naman meron dito.
Tama na. Coffee. Coffee is priority. After laughing for I don't know how long. Hala, dito pala si Betty. Medyo may... Tingnan mo, sa taas.
Kala ko totoo.
Wala, nanalo na si Mother. Kakape sana kami muna, kaya nang binati ko kagad. Ayun na siya, oh. Guys, naalala na ba yung joke ko? Paano kapag ka-demure ka lang ng Little Monster? Gentle Monster. At nandito na nga si Mother Monster Bouge. Yes, ayun yung bahay namin, House Labs. Hindi mo naman sinasabi, nasa Show Boulevard na tayo. Mag-electric. Ah, ito ba yung podium? Hala. Kakalakad natin, binasa-isitan na tayo. Bakit ganun? Layo naman ang nilalakad natin. Bakit nasa recto na ako? Hindi. Like, ano, recto station. Ibang recto.
Ibang isipan nyo alam ko.
Sorry. Kasi ako taga Menjola, di ba? Legarda, so... Uy, Dear Evan Hansen. Pero unang... Babe, may ice cream. Tapos sa likod ng ice cream, may Lady Gaga. Things I love and people I love. Wow! Ay, nakabili na po tayo. Nabudol na tayo ni Mother. Wow! Ayan na. Takashimaya. Here we are. Ay, wala pa tayo makupuan, be. These are ice coffee. You can get your name and leave for free. So, hey. Time to eat. Yay! Go. Ito yung kanilang traditional drink according to Aika. Si Aika po isang low-key Singaporean. Medyo kinabahan ako, kala ko sweet. It's sweet, but like, not sweet.
Saks lang yung sweetness.
Oo. Kasi, kasi condensed milk, di ba? Usually, pag condensed, hilo-hilo na ako. So, paano po kinakain itong with egg? I-demo po ni Miss Aika. Tita Ikes. Bakit ka natatawa? Sa Tita Ikes? Ayan. Oy, oo. Uy, medyo ano, sorry, camera shy. Medyo kabado po tayo.
Hindi ako pwede mag-cooking show. Tago na agad.
Kay Gordon Ramsay.
Oo.
Pero you cook talaga?
Sometimes. It depends on my mood.
Ano naluluto mo?
Fried stuff. Depende. Pasta. Pero matagal akong hindi nagluluto.
I don't cook.
Yes.
I cannot cook. Oh, what's that? Toyo?
Yeah. Dark soy sauce. And then you put pepper.
Ah, okay.
But it's not spicy.
Oh.
There it is.
Wow.
Eggs.
Ang hirap? Grabe.
Alam mo yung ako nagluto.
Okay. Let's see. Mainit nga. Nag-break na yung akin, be. Hala. Hello. Oh. Okay. Oh, majinit. Ah.
Yes.
Okay. Ah. Then we're gonna add this. Yes.
To balance the taste.
Wow. Now we have scrambled
Yung iba
eggs.
dinidip yung dress dito.
Okay, but you drink it lang?
Yeah. Ako ayoko. I want it separate.
Oh. Okay, noted. I'm gonna try this one first. This is butter lang.
Kaya and butter.
Kaya and butter. Pag hindi kaya,
Hindi kaya. Walang butter.
noted.
Mas okay ba na dip? I haven't tried that, but
Lahat masarap.
so yung nadaanan kanina natin na parang calendar, yun yung original nun. Ito na yung mga chains na nagustuhan mga guys.
Sarap, be? Ako lang ba? Always when I'm wearing white. Thank you. Parang malatang lang. Ganito din ako sa malatang. Basic. Gusto ko para akong bata kung kumain ng kalat-kalat.
Okay lang nangyayari sa akin kahapon.
Kanina nangyari din sa akin. Ano ba yung una? Yung ano, sa lamb. May yung white sauce naman yung akin. Diyos ko. Hindi talaga ako pwede mag-white na damit. Pero, bet ko kasi mag-white. So, anong gagawin ko? Sorry, minsan kasi hindi ko kumakain din. Gugutom din siya. Kaya siya lumalaki. Oh, ay bago. Yung hinawakan ko. Ba yan? Anyways, ang sarap ng lahat. I remember ordering something like this sa Nanyang. Hindi talaga sa ganito.
Pati yung pagka-toast niya parang there's something different.
Correct. You're right. This is the good shit. Kung hahanapin niyo po ito yung nasa 5th floor ng Takashimaya. Dara-diretso lang mula elevator. Sarap. Sarap lahat ang nakain ko today. Except talaga yung 7-Eleven.
Pagdating ni Peps, let's try kung makakapag-chili crab tayo.
I was just thinking about you. No?
Ha? Kili me.
Clingy.
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 Ang hina ng internet dyan. Ano ba yan? Manila. My God.
Napanood mo ba yung video? Narinig mo ba yung tawa namin?
Hindi ko pa. Nakawin ko lang eh.
Pakinggan mo na lang.
Audio.
Medyo mahirap kasama yung si ano.
Bakit naman mahirap? Bakit naman mahirap kasama?
Alam mo na, senior moments.
Ay, akala mo lang, ako yung mas senior sa amin. Sabi ko, pwede upo muna tayo. Pwede pahinga muna tayo. Ako yung senior dito, be.
Ibits lang. Kaya na.
Busog na ako, be.
Dapat nag-hati na lang tayo dito.
It's a video. Ito try natin yung ayaw po ni Lia, sabi ni Aika. Vitamin water daw siya. And it's in triple berry. What?
Triple X.
Triple X. Triple berry.
I think you like it.
Sarap. Ewan ko sa'yo, Lia. Anything berry, I like. Berry never failed me. Yeah. Goods. Good shit.
Yan.
In Aika's taste buds, we trust. I think you and I have the same pal. She also doesn't drink water.
I drink water naman.
Hindi.
Pero vitamins.
So far sa magkasama tayo, no? Hindi pa tayo nag-water.
Alam mo na,
Leftover water pa
Leftover
from
water.
yesterday yun.
true.
Kasi pagkasama ko friends ko, always water yan.
Kasi wala nito sa Philippines.
Okay, sige, sure.
Oo. So, kailangan sulitin.
Kailangan i-validate yung purchase of the day. Yes.
Tapos 10.
Tapos ito yung mga pinamili ko, be. Puro tanda na talaga ako. Hindi naman tayo dadaan dito. Napadaan pa tayo dito.
Ayaw kasi natin mag-escalator.
Napag-astos tuloy tayo.
Naghahanap lang tayo ng elevator.
Correct. Ay, saan? O, dami ko nakikita na naman.
Ayaw ka lang part yung bayaran eh.
Uy, may pay pa ako sila na convenient. Be, may pay pa ako sila na convenient pa ko. Sige nga. It's a GG's. You know it. Let's do this. Time check. It's 6:06. GG's. Behave. Pagod ako. Pero na si Papa P. Oh. Jollibee. Binasa na ba tayo? Bakit may joke ako? Bakit ba? Uy, ano ba yung class ni Ria today? Britney Spears. My loneliness is killing me and I. Kakain naman tayo. Bakit may butcheron dun, oh? Kung gusto mo kumain.
Paano mangyayari pagkakain? Gaganyan ka?
7 p.m. na. Pero may araw pa din dito kahit 7 p.m. Tinan mo. Ayun, may araw pa din. Papunta na kami ngayon sa Laupasan. Pag may energy pa ako, mag-ano tayo. MBS tayo. Pag may energy pa ako. Pero ang dami na namin binili. Medyo banned na ako bumili ng mga bagay-bagay. Ang last na lang na pwede kong bilhin ay merch ni mother. Tapos pagkain. Okay na. Bawal na yung iba.
Doon na tayo sa hawker, ha?
Wala si mother.
Naramdaman ko.
Nabilang patugtog sa radyo si mother. Sabi niya,
Sabi niya, I agree. Merch na lang.
yes, mother.
Makinig ka raw.
Yes, I hear you. So hit the light. I could be your girlfriend for the weekend. You could be my boyfriend. Ganito lang ako bukas.
Ako ganito. Ito na yan.
Ito na rin ako. Know you my whole life. That's one of the gusto ko din sa newest album. Garden of Eden. To take you to the Garden of Eden.
May sisigaw ba na Eden?
Ewan ko lang. Parang walang fan chant compared kay Taylor. I could be your girlfriend for a weekend. Si Lord ba yan? Oh my God. Si Gaga tsaka si Lord. Medyo.
Ito, makinig ka to. Kasi Garden of Eden.
Dito sa ting garden.
Oo. At least blessed. Hashtag blessed.
Ayun o, brass basa. Ay, ako din. Si ano ba to? Bruno ba to? Bruno to, diba? Wait.
Precious.
Oh. Si Precious naman na. This is for you, Precious. Actually, busog pa ako. Pero,
Yun, maglaksa na lang tayo.
isip ko kung hindi kasi masarap laksa take-out eh.
Oo. I-take out na lang natin.
Ayun, nakaka-burp ko lang. Des, feel ko we can do one laksa. Ano yung sabi ko kanina? Ay, yung chicken.
O, tomorrow na lang Hainanese.
Ay, ang ganda. Sana yung kay mother? Sige nga, hanapin muna natin kay mother. Ay, sorry. Strong! Ay, hindi, ano pala?
Ganon. Sobrang taas lang. Ay, matangkad ka na nga sa akin, pero...
Okay, game. Okay, okay, wait. 3, 9. Ay, baba mo to.
Hindi ka kita. Hindi ka kita.
Niloko niyo comedy.
Asan na yung lady ka?
Ay, hindi ko.
Yun naman pala may pamihem kahit pa paano. Video ba yan?
Oo. Ikaw muna. Go. Dahil busog pa ako. Sarap?
Oh my God.
Sarap?
Lambs, yeah. It's so good.
Okay, kasi may pila, so we trust.
Michelin pala sila.
Ah, talaga? So, dito po siya nag-order. Yung sa may pila, di ba? Yan. So, magkano siya?
So good, try this.
Magkano?
This one, 750.
750? What?
Be, yung drinks ko sa Universal 12. Tatandaan niyo yan. Oh my God. It's so good. Oysters pala to. Oysters
Okay.
and this is bean curd something. Kasi ginawa siya on the spot.
So
Kaya ang
fresh na
bilis.
fresh. Ay, magkakalat na naman ako.
Ricky na naman.
My loneliness is killing me. Tara, Leah, pinafollow kami ni Leah. Sarap.
Sarap.
So how I want one for the hills. If you can find a joy and forever be still. It's 8:46 p.m. The aunties are tired. We were supposed to watch the fountain, but we're tired. I'm tired. Need to rest up because we need all the energy for tomorrow. We're finally back. I'm excited. Oops, that's my wire. I'm excited to remove my makeup and rest up. Hey guys! We're now back. Time for a haul video ng damage natin today. Dahil madami-dami tayong ginastos na worship. Okay, Watson's first. Age reveal. I'm 72.
Para pag Sephora na, younger ka na.
Young. Benjamin Button who? Charis. Okay. So, ay pucha, meron pa ako nung una. Let's start with what I bought first pala.
Wait, I'll go down na. May papabili ka?
Say bye-bye. Parang kalawan lagi ng pupuntahan. Bye-bye, bye-bye, bye. We're waiting for Precious. She's gonna arrive at like 12 midnight-ish here. And we might be asleep by then. But I'm just gonna go and fix my things and rest up for the night. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you tomorrow. Vlogger.